Today we are going to discuss about QR code-based attendance system. Here is the circuit diagram. Working of project. This project have 2 PHASES. When we turn on the system, we will get IP address. Copy and paste that IP address in web browser. A page will be opened where we can add students, as shown in the video. Turn on project. Especially cam light blinking, it's mean to try to connect with available Wi-Fi connection. Now place the QR code in front of camera. The camera will identify the QR code and mark student attendance in Google Sheet. When the system identify the QR code, a message will appear on LCD stated as QR. The LCD will show welcome message along with student name. First time it will record in time and second time it will record out time. Third time the system will respond as already marked. Try again tomorrow.